Hi guys, welcome to my space, my channel Happiness with Hema. Today the video is going to offer a bit about me, about holistic living. You will got to meet my beautiful versatile friend Rekha, and stay tuned till the end to meet this dynamic and young budding yogi, Harya Tushant. Welcome you all to celebrate life, holistic living with Hema and Dil Se Rekha Chit Chat.
Hi friends, hope you're hale and hearty. This is Rekha. Being happy never goes out of fashion. Happiness is a choice. Choose it. Dil Se Rekha Chit Chats. I would like to invite the very talented, very beautiful, holistic living Hema Dadwal, जो खुद भी खुश रहती हैं. खुद खुश होने के अलावा she spreads happiness, positivity in a community, and she has been the educator of so many institutions in Singapore. So let's welcome Hema Dadwal. Hi, lively Hema joins. Welcome to the very lively, very talented Hema Dadwal. It's a pleasure having you here, Hema.
Likewise, Rekha, likewise. I'm so happy.
So, Hema Dadwal is very passionate about serving and giving back positivity, mental health, and well-being to others. She believes in holistic living. So, let us ask Hema few things about holistic living. Yes, Hema, let us know about Hema first of all. Who describe Hema in 5 words for us?
Okay, so Hema is quite funny, yeah, quite adventurous, and very spiritual.
Great.
And little bossy. And also very kind-hearted and loving, and simple person.
Excellent. Excellent. Kind-hearted, loving, simple, bossy. Huh? I love this combination. So, what exactly is holistic living? Let us know about something about holistic living.
Well, Rekha, holistic living is actually, it's like it's a life you lead, it's like a wholesome life, which need a balance of mental, physical, and spiritual, so the overall balance. And
Absolutely.
so it focus, so the main focus of the holistic life is actually leading a very well balanced life. And I believe that, we all are energy, we all are vibrations, and this cosmos, we have to go with the nature. If we go against the nature, it will always disturb your, balance. So holistic life is nothing but just maintaining that balance, going with that, and incorporating, some natural things which will give a nice healing to you by itself. So
absolutely, absolutely. One thing more I wanted to ask, now this holistic living, can we incorporate some changes in our present living and divert our ways to holistic living? How can we incorporate few small changes in our life towards a holistic lifestyle?
You know what, Rekha, we all think that it's only a big things we have to do, and then only it will give some nice impact to your your body and your mind. But no, the thing is other way around, because it's only the small things which matters. Because holistic living is also focuses on simple things like how you breathe, how you eat, how you think, even thinking pattern. So even the smallest thing, like if I give you a small example of like breathing thing. So you see the pigeons, they breathe so fast, so their lifespan is very small. And whereas the turtles, they breathe very slowly. So we can see from the nature itself that a small little thing like breathing.
I love this example. Yeah.
So just holistic, when you're leading a holistic life, doesn't mean that you're doing something very big, blunder or something. It's just being mindful and aware and conscious about the small little things. Be it a small little thing like how I have to breathe, or how I should eat, or when I'm eating, how I should chew it properly, and first digest it here itself, and then I swallow it down. So it's small little things which you be aware of, and then you are when you're more aware, you're actually enjoying life more, much better.
I would like
Yes.
to ask one thing more, just on that. In one of your videos, you talked about Jal Neti and you explained it so beautifully. So I would like you to throw some light on Jal Neti today.
Yes, Jal Niti is actually a practice which I'm doing from last 10 years, and just to let you know and to let the viewers know that I've made a big video on it to explain it very well. I put it in Instagram also. They can check it out there also, because Jal Niti is it's an ancient old practice which our yogis used to do. So it's not a very new thing. It's very old, age-old practice which people used to do to cleanse their breathing pattern, and they also claim, and it is really true, that if you are doing it very consistently enough, so you will you will never get sick. You will be like you will be away from all the lifestyle diseases and all that, because it cleans your. So if I explain you, Rekha, in a very layman words, Jal Niti is like any infection kind of infection goes through your nose. Why? Because you're breathing. You can't we can't even live without breathing for a minute, right? So anything, all the infections go through your nose. So Jal Niti is a practice which actually cleans or shun off the viruses or any kind of infections from the door itself. So it's like nose is your doorway, and Jal Niti is a process which protects you from door itself. So it doesn't let the infections enter, because it cleans your system so well.
How easy is to do it? That is the bottom line. How easy is it to do it?
If I tell you now, it's like as easy as as easy drinking water. Really, trust me, it's that easy.
Really?
It's like, it's just a matter of practice. But I'm telling you, it's very easy. Once you get a hang of it, it's like you need to practice first. If you practice and you practice well, and then you're doing it every day, it's just like drinking water.
There is a saying, no, practice makes a man perfect. You know me, I will say practice makes a woman perfect.
It's not
Going forward, how was settling in Singapore?
Or settling, I'm here in Singapore, now it's 12 plus years, and it's a wonderful place. I always call it a home away from a home, because it's really very much a same version of India.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful. I was very fortunate. I came here and I was in this condo since 12 years continuously, because normally people hop in here and there, So I'm here, and it was thanks to all my friends. They were just extended family, So I have all variety of friends here, be it all nationalities, all part of from India itself. Somebody's from South and somebody's from Andhra.
When you have a cosmopolitan culture, cosmopolitan culture is very important. It widens your horizon, it broadens your mind, your outlook towards life gets changed. You feel so nice.
Absolutely, yes.
चलिए, अब एक बात बताइए, आपके ग्लो का राज क्या है?
Holistic living. Bilkul, I'll give all the credit to my holistic living.
So now it's very clear. All those people who want to glow like Hema, holistic living to start करें सब लोग एक साथ.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Really, Rekha, I'm in a quest of, I want people to be their better version, and holistic living is the best way, If they start living a simple holistic, way of small little things changes, they can glow, they can be, disease free. So it will be a good gift. Yeah.
Okay. Who motivates you? आप बहुत लोगों को motivate करते हैं. आपको कौन motivate करता है? Who motivates you?
Oh, there's a lot of people, but in my family, my dad, my sisters, my extended family, everybody. So I'm a big fan of my dad. So he have motivated me a lot. My father-in-law, he's no more. But these people were my motivation, my idols. My grandma.
Okay. Okay, आपका favorite song कौन सा है?
Song, like I'm very fond of dancing and singing. So song like favorite.
चलो एक बहुत बढ़िया सा गाना हो जाए जो आपका फेवरेट हो.
गाना like गाने का तो like मेरी आवाज बहुत मतलब it's like a very bad.
All the
But
singers say
yeah,
this, huh? All the singers say this.
no, I'm not a good singer. Trust me, I'm not at all. But yes, I'll definitely sing
चलो कोई बात
for
नहीं.
your request.
Two lines for us. Yeah, 2 lines for
कौन
us.
सा गाना गाया जाए? Like I used to whenever I'm on a walk or something, so I sing this song. थोड़ा spiritual song है, huh? So enjoy it.
Great. We would love to listen that.
Yes. It motivates me a lot, this song. So the song is like this.
Great.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति. Yeah, that's it. I think one line is enough.
Wow. That is such a beautiful song. And I just read in your bio that you have collaborated with some schools and you're an educator. So basically, what do you do there? आपका क्या मतलब profile क्या है? Mental health, well-being of the kids, or what else?
I am a professional physical education trained.
Okay.
Yeah, I did that for a while. Then I was in an education line. So since I was like in Singapore, I was with the international schools and I was like taught in all IB schools and all. So वहाँ पे actually, yeah. So I'm very fortunate to work with the little ones, which
That's great.
love. Yes. Also with the teenagers, but most of the time, like I was like with this age group of 5 to 7, 8. That was my specialty. And they are so, the kids, they bring out the best creativity.
Absolutely.
Because their thinking is always out of the box, So they really make you think also very differently,
वो कहते हैं ना बच्चे एक कुम्हार की जो पॉटर होता है, he takes the mud और जो शेप बनाता है वो जिस मिट्टी में ढालता है वो वैसा ही ढांचा बन जाता है. तो इस एज के बच्चों को आप जो भी सिखाएंगे, they will become according to that. So this is a very good age, to imbibe good values in children, so they become good citizens of their respective countries. It's very essential.
Absolutely. But Rekha, more than actually आप बच्चों को पढ़ाते हो, बच्चे आपको बहुत कुछ सिखा देते हैं, because they are so enthusiastic. Because that age is like they are like a sponge, ये जो छोटा age होता है ना, they are like a sponge. They are ready to suck in every information, everything, and their observation is so like
absolutely
wider than what we can think. So their thinking is very, very creative and all that. So
someone is asking what instruments you need to use for water therapy to clean nose.
Okay, because you have specially demanded, you wanted to see, you love my this, so I kept it.
Yeah.
So this is the cute little pot. But in India, if you're like if she's from India, you get lot of that lotus kind of metallic one also will go. Yeah, so any kind of which has this kind of spout kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So because this will you will
आप अच्छी तरह से एक बार दिखा दें. हाँ. Yeah, very good. Yeah, this is beautiful. I love the color also. इतना vibrant है कि मजा आ रहा है इसको देख के.
So this is my instrument. Like
I will again repeat, being happy never gets out of fashion. So happiness is a choice. Choose it. Choose happiness. Every hour, every minute, every second. And here is Hema, who's a symbol of happiness and perfection. Right, Hema?
Not perfection. You remember my post? Perfection is not necessary. Just be yourself.
Yeah. अच्छा, अगर आपको एक color हो, if you were a color, what color will define you?
I think blue. Just cool, calm. and happy. Blue is good.
This Nan Gopal Natarajan is asking, what time should you do this therapy?
Okay, that's very important. Jal Niti, preferably you can do it in the morning. You should do it in the morning. Early mornings are the best because from me, my morning ritual starts like I get up, splash some water in my eyes, straight away put the water here and I do my Jal Niti. So morning is the best time because it has been followed, Jal Niti is followed with this Kapalbhati or Bhastrika. Actually Bhastrika where you just, exhale very forcefully. Yeah, very forcefully you exhale all the... Yeah, because that's very important. It's like a important process because without that, this whole practice is not completed. So Bhastrika you have to do. So if you do Bhastrika at the evening time, then you won't be able to sleep because it energizes you so much. So it's like not advisable to do it in the evening. But yes, mornings, afternoons is the best time. Morning is the best time you can do it.
Great. Now, are you ready for rapid fire?
Oops. Go for it.
Very simple questions, okay? Who is your inspiration?
I told you my grandfather, my father, my father-in-law, my grandmother. Yeah.
It is so nice. I would like to add here. इतनी खुशी मिली आपने ये जवाब दिया है. हम लोग अब इंडिया में we are losing this joint family tradition, the bonding of relationships, the respect to elders is so essential, generation gap exists in all ages, life moves on 360 degrees, so you should always respect your elders. थोड़ा सा difference हमेशा रहेगा, but just don't forget कि आपको इस मुकाम तक पहुंचाने में उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी है. It's a very small thing, but please give it a thought. Definitely give it a thought. Okay, now, if you were a flavor of an ice cream, what it would be?
Though I'm not I don't like sweets too much, but yes, if it is a ice cream, then butterscotch. I like butterscotch. So that flavor.
I like butterscotch too. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good are you in keeping secrets?
10 on 10. I think.
Oh my God!
Yes. There's so many friends of mine.
I'm very bad. I am
so many friends.
bad.
They come to me. They tell their personal stuff, and I can keep it to my heart. Yeah. So yes, I'm like 10 on 10.
What's your favorite cartoon character?
यहाँ से किसी को खबर नहीं हो सकती है. Try my best.
What's your favorite cartoon character?
Cartoon, like I'm so out of touch, but yeah, Dora the Adventure Girl. Dora, I don't know if you know her.
Okay, what's your best feature?
I think my smile.
I was also guessing the same pinch. Minutes. What would you do if you get 15 minutes of fame?
I just enjoy it.
Yeah.
Just enjoy it. That's it.
Okay. What advice, this is very important, what advice will you give to your younger self?
Oh, to my younger self, I'll say, Hema, slow down, because I was very, very energetic, very, very, I'll say I didn't had any filter. I just very blunt. So I will say, just calm down, Hema. To my younger self, I'll just say that.
It is so essential, It is so essential. Now, when you recollect back down the drain, if you see, there was no itna hustle, itna bhag daud karke, just small things. Arey, life ko easy lena chahiye, life ko enjoy karna chahiye, live life to the fullest. The moments of these lives are precious. They are very important. They need to be enjoyed, and they need to be enjoyed in the fullest. Okay,
absolutely.
If you won $1 million, what would you buy?
What will I buy? I'll just buy a ticket to the world tour, and hopefully this corona virus goes away, and then we can fly. And you know what will be my first destination, Rekha? My first destination will be my hometown. I'm missing it like 2 years. Not.
So which is your hometown?
My hometown is like near Uttarakhand.
Yeah,
Uttarakhand?
beautiful. कहाँ पर? जगह कौन सी है?
Kashipur.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
It's a beautiful
Uttarakhand
place.
itself is so pretty, so beautiful place.
Yes.
Lovely. Okay.
And
what
my
is the
parental
street-
side is Himachal. That again is again a beautiful place, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
So it's
yeah,
like
yeah,
Punjab. So
Yeah.
actually in India you see a different flavors, you know, of all, like you'll get one state, you'll see a different flavor, and you go to the another and there's another. I know
India is a land of diversity. The pleasure you want to go, you know, when you are in India, you can see every remote corner of India and everything. कुछ हर बार आपको नया देखने को मिलता है. It's so beautiful.
And the plus thing is, you know,
Prachi
you
saying
enjoy
my
all the
husband-
weathers. You enjoy all the
Yeah.
weathers there, you know, because in
Absolutely.
Singapore, that's what I'm missing, the weathers, you know. But in India, you know, you
Prachi
get
is saying my
winters.
husband travels for work to Kashipur.
Oh, hi, Prachi.
Oh, wow.
So see, small world.
That's great.
Nice
It's
to
a
meet
small
you,
world.
Prachi.
If you were given a portfolio in the ministry, what would it be?
What do you think, Rekha? Health? Health
Health,
minister?
great. Bang on.
Or maybe a holistic, you know, minister which, you know, try to, you know, bring out the best from everyone and tell them,
Absolutely.
okay, let's lead a holistic
India
life.
desperately needs a holistic minister, really.
Okay, that is
Okay.
that.
What is the strangest thing you've ever eaten?
Eaten.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm very experimental. I've eaten. You don't ask me, like I must have eaten everything.
No, one
Strangest
strangest thing
thing.
which recollects in your mind at the
Squid.
That's a good one. Well,
Yeah.
we merchant navy guys have eaten all. Even I have also eaten. Ask me.
Yes.
Ask me.
Everything. Yes. Otherwise, you can't survive. You know, you're
Okay.
going everywhere, experiment and eat everything.
Yeah,
Everything
yeah,
like-
absolutely. I remember I was so shocked. I was in Japan, you know, and I was looking at the fish, and I just pointed one fish, और वही उसने मेरे को cook करके दी. मैंने कहा, wow, this is strange, यार. So that was the strangest.
In Singapore,
Yeah.
what happened? Like you see the live crabs and all that. So people choose, pick
Yeah.
and choose. Okay, this one, this is looking fresh. So बिचारा अच्छा से चल रहा है, and then you know you are cooking, it's in your plate. But then that's how it is.
That's great. Okay, add one word. Okay, love.
Love, home. Home is like
Family.
where my heart is, and
Family.
family is my life. Lifeline.
Health.
Health is wealth.
Hema.
Literally believe. Hema,
Hema.
happiness.
Rekha.
Hema, happiness.
Rekha.
Rekha is enthusiastic and beautiful energy. I get that from you all the time, Rekha. Mhm. I'm like really
Okay.
looking forward to hear that poem, the energy, powerful.
Yeah,
poem.
we women empowering each other and uplifting each other. तो एक हिंदी की कविता मैंने बहुत पहले लिखी थी, 4 लाइनें में पढ़ के सुनाना चाहूंगी, then we'll wind up. सखी हाथ बढ़ाना, सखी हाथ बढ़ाना, मिलजुल कर हमको है ये बीड़ा उठाना, एक दूजे को सक्षम, सबल व समनाना, सखी हाथ बढ़ाना. ना तुम कमजोर हो सखी, ना मैं कमजोर, ना तुम कमजोर हो सखी, ना मैं कमजोर, बस इतनी सी बात इस जग को है समझाना, सखी हाथ बढ़ाना. लक्ष्मण रेखा को पार करके अपनी कश्ती को विशाल सागर में मिलजुल कर हमको है चलाना, सखी हाथ बढ़ाना. तुम साथ हो मेरे तो सम्मान और समानता मिल ही जाएगी, बाधाएं आएंगी धाराशायी हो जाएंगी, सखी हाथ बढ़ाना. I end up with 2 lines. पोएम तो बहुत बड़ी है.
Beautiful.
सखी बराबरी हमारा हक है, सखी बराबरी हमारा हक है, कोई भीख नहीं, हम माँ बेटी बहू बहन सबल हैं, अबला नहीं, मिलकर अपने अधिकारों के लिए हमको है लड़ना, बेबाक हंसी आशा की चिंगारी को फैलाना, सखी हाथ बढ़ाना। आशा की किरण दूर नहीं है सखी, आशा की किरण दूर नहीं है सखी, और सवेरा निश्चिंत है, लाख बंदिशें लगाए जमाना, सखी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक दूजे को हमें सक्षम, सबल और समर्थ बनाना।
Beautiful, well written, very nicely articulated. Yeah, very well. And the way you say it with full energy and you know that zeal,
वो
it
दिल
really
से
brings out. दिल से, yes,
वो
दिल से.
दिल से लिखते हैं ना, तो वो दिल से ही अभिव्यक्ति होती है। तो एक छोटा सा, ये एक छोटी सी प्रयास है दिल से रेखा चिट चैट्स की। आप में से कोई भी इस मंच पे आना चाहता है तो मुझे डीएम कर सकता है, हम आपसे बातचीत करेंगे। जैसे अभी हेमा ने हमें कितनी प्यारी प्यारी बातें बताई हैं, और क्या खूब बातें बताई हैं, हमें इतना अच्छा लगा। एंड ऑल द वे फ्रॉम सिंगापुर शी टुक आउट टाइम फॉर अस for Dil Se Rekha Chit Chat. It was a pleasure and honor to have you. It was our pleasure and honor. और इतने हम लोग enlightened हुए. Thank you so much. Anyone who wants to ask anything, please, you are more than welcome. हेमा यही बैठी हुई है, अभी हमने आपको बाय और सायोनारा नहीं किया है. If you want to ask anything, you are more than welcome.
Arya Tushar is saying namaste. I really like this boy. It's like very dynamic. उसका आप योगा देखेंगे ना, it's very very dynamic.
Really?
Keep motivating
Really?
Arya, because you know I like youngsters coming out and you know motivating others to do yoga, because yoga is again it's a part of a holistic life, you know. So
Yeah.
thank you.
Arya
And
Tushar Yoga wants to join. Okay.
you want to join us?
Yeah.
Or we are winding up?
No, we are winding up. I don't know. You said so. I said if you want to join. Yeah, there he is.
Okay. Namaste. सिंगापुर का नमस्ते आर्या, हाउ आर यू, कैसे हैं आप?
अच्छे हैं, अभी प्रैक्टिस ही कर रहा था मैं, अभी मैट पर ही था।
वाह,
लाइव देखा तो
आप इतने फ्लेक्सिबल हैं और इतना लोगों को मोटिवेट करते हैं, करते रहिए, बहुत अच्छी बात है, ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है। आर्यन, आप हमें लाइव एक वो करके दिखाएंगे क्या, वो जो आप ट्विस्ट करके कर रहे थे, जस्ट क्विकली?
ओके,
दैट विल बी रियली नाइस. Sorry if I'm like telling you out of. Yeah.
क्लियर दिख रहा है ना?
Yeah, we can see.
Gosh.
Wow.
He is magical.
Absolutely.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Too good.
Very nice. Gosh. Beautiful, Aryan. Very nice.
Absolutely. Very nice.
बहुत अच्छे आर्यन, बहुत अच्छे बेटा. आप keep it up and keep motivating youngsters. Okay, अपने से छोटे उम्र के बच्चों को और मोटिवेट कीजिए योगा की तरफ.
It is so nice.
हाँ, बच्चे करते हैं मेरे साथ. एक भाई की लड़की है, अभी 1 साल की है, वो मुझे देखते हैं अपने आप कर देते हैं मेरे मैट पे आते ही.
वो कहते हैं ना, बच्चों को हमें सिखाना है ना, तो हमें करना पड़ेगा. तो when you do it,
हाँ, वो देखकर ही अपने आप मोटिवेट होते हैं.
जल नीति करते हैं, जल नीति ट्राई किया आपने कभी?
जलने की हो जाती है उसके ऊपर.
You are doing yoga, or you are having a holistic lifestyle. The children will see you, so you don't have to tell them. It gradually seeps into them and it becomes a daily habit. So Hema, it was such a pleasure having you. Thank you so much.
Same.
What else?
Likewise. And वो कहते हैं ना, cherry on the cake was Aryan here. So
yeah,
very
absolutely,
nice.
absolutely. No, I would say it was a pleasure having you here, Hema, and you took out time for us. It is so nice. On Dil Se Rekha Chit Chats, let's wind up and let's wish holistic living for everyone who's watching. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rekha.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
I hope, friends, you all enjoyed this interaction. Do let me know in the comments. Till the time we meet again, stay happy, healthy, and alive.